Hello Helix nerds. Do you miss a fully fledged Git integration in your editor? Something in the likes of VS Code? Allow me to share a small snippet of Toml to cure that itch. But first, let's open Helix. Type :config open to open the current Helix config file for editing. Paste this snippet into the config file. This will be linked in a GitHub gist in the video description. For now, let's get a feel for how it works. The keys.normal section tells Helix that we want to create a new key binding available in the normal mode. Uppercase C, G defines a key binding as Ctrl G. You can change this to be a key binding of your liking, but note that the uppercase prefixes A, C, and S stand for the accelerators Alt, Control, and Shift respectively. For more details, check out the official documentation linked in the description. Inside the square braces, we're able to run one or more Helix commands. :nil creates a new buffer to collect the output of the shell command we want to run. Then, we run lazygit using the insert output Helix command. Of course, you can run a different tool like git UI here. We're refraining from calling the run shell command because it does not wait until the child process exits. It's because of this insert output command that we had allocated a new buffer. After the child process exits, we close this buffer and re-render everything in the current view of Helix. Now, save the config file and exit from Helix. And believe it or not, that's all it requires to have a Git integration in Helix. If you now open Helix in a Git repository, you can press Ctrl G to spawn your Git integration tool of choice. And once you're done with it, you exit out of the Git integration tool, you're back in Helix, where you left off. Alright, that's about it. See you around.